What's up, guys? Today we're at my wife's flip. It's finally finished and it turned out beautiful. We went a little bit over budget, but it turned out great and it turned out to be well worth it. So I want to walk you through, explain what we did to it. Unfortunately, I don't have any before pictures. I have some pictures during, after it was gutted, but it was just disgusting inside, very dated, very closed in. So let's take a look at it and show you what it looks like. This house is just under 1,500 square feet. When you walked in originally, there was just disgusting carpet. There was a wall across here. And then you walk through here in the kitchen, there was another wall on the other side. That room had paneling and drop ceiling. So we put drywall throughout the entire house. And what's interesting about this house, originally we were going to do it, fix it up, turn it into an Airbnb, and then rent it short term and just enjoy the cash flow. And when you get into real estate, you have to be flexible. So what we decided to do was list it at the top of the market and see what happens. And this market is really hot right now. I guess because of COVID, there's not a lot of supply. We got a full price offer at $224,900. We paid $58,000 for it. We put about $110 in it, $120 in it. So we're making $30,000 when it's all said and done. We're going to take that profit and buy another one and do it again. And maybe that one will turn into an Airbnb. But just because you have a path that you're going down doesn't mean that that's where you're going to end up. You have to be willing to pivot. And if something changes, opportunities come up, be willing to pivot and change your plans so that you can maximize your profit and do what's best for you long term. So we added a bathroom. This house is 3 bedroom, 3 bath. We added a bathroom. This bathroom was smaller. We pushed this wall out where the vanity is and it went further. We took a closet out from the living room, so we made it a little bit bigger. Basically gutted this whole house down to the studs. New plumbing, new electric for the most part. Not all of it, but most of the plumbing, most of the electric. Painted everything, either replaced the drywall or patched it. We finished some of the hardwood floors that were original. The front part of the house, original hardwood. The back part is all brand new hardwood. This used to be a laundry room. Now it's a beautiful ensuite, nice bathroom. My wife did a great job on the design. She picked out all the tile colors, all the colors in the entire house. The quartz countertops, the high-end appliances. Put a washer and dryer nook in here. And this room was completely gutted. It was disgusting. New drop ceiling, new drywall. It had that old wooden paneling. This bathroom was yellow. Peeling up vinyl floor, yellow tile. It just turned out beautiful. And then this is one of the larger rooms in the house. Again, all new hardwood floors. King size bed fits nicely in here. Big closet. This neighborhood again was one of those higher end neighborhoods. It's got the only flat, it's really one of the only flat neighborhoods in the city. So this was just like a sitting room. We decided instead of tearing it out just to paint everything. I've ordered some replacement windows for the windows that are fogged. Just to make it that much nicer and newer for the new owner. Painted the garage. All the wood on the top of the garage was rotten, so I put metal on it. New garage doors.
I'm adding
a new door here, man door for the garage, and I'm going to clean all this stuff out and throw it away. But it just turned, new garage doors turned out great. Can't complain at all on what a great job my wife did and the crew that put this together. But this is another example of how you make money in real estate and how you can make money in multiple different ways. So I could rent this house for $2,500 a month long term. I could rent it short term for probably $3,500 to $4,000, or I could sell it and take our $30,000 profit and move on. Guys, if you like this video and you want to see more of this kind of thing, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it. Please leave your comments below. Any ideas you have, if you like it or you don't like it, let me know. The whole idea of this channel is to help you accelerate your profitability and your learning curve so that you can get on the fast track to making money and building wealth in the real estate industry.